Good evening, sir. I'm here to give a line about the movie of Avatar, The Way of Water, released 2022. So the line is, Jake Sully narrates about family war and survival. The Way of Water has no beginning and no end. That's all. So Sasha will explain what's the meaning of those lines.
Movie Avatar: The Way of Water, released in 2022, is delivering the line. What they're trying to say is family and survival are everything.
So the second movie is The Matrix, released 1999. The long line is, Morpheus, what you know you can't explain, but you feel it. You've felt in your entire life that there's nothing wrong with the world. You don't know what is, but it's there like a splinter in your mind, driving you mad. So Sasha would explain that line, bro.
The movie The Matrix, that is released from 1999, the meaning of the line that they're trying to deliver is, you know something's wrong with reality.
So the third one is Pulp Fiction, released 1994. So the line is, Jules, the path of the righteous man is beset on all sides by the iniquities of the selfish and the tyranny of evil man. So the wall Ezekiel 25:17 verse speech. Amen.
Movie Pulp Fiction, that is released from 1994, the line that they're trying to deliver explains that he is trying to be a better person.
Fourth one is Inception, released 2010. The line is, Cobb explaining dreams inside dreams, subconscious security, and inception mechanics. That's all. So Sasha would explain this.
Fight Club, released in 1999, the line that they are trying to deliver explains that stuff doesn't make you happy.
One is Fight Club, released 1999. Long line is, Tyler Durden, the things you own end up owning you. Surrounded by a lot of philosophy about consumerism. Yeah, that's all, bro. Thank you for watching.
From the movie Inception, released in 2010, the line that they're trying to deliver means they plant ideas in people's heads through dreams.